Hi, good morning children. How are you all? Yeah, very good. So, today we will start with our English Balbharati 6th standard. Okay children? 6th standard, please take out your English Balbharati textbook. Are you all ready? You should also take out your pencil. Okay, now ready? Yeah, very good. 6th standard. So now, in our last class, I taught you first poem. Okay children? So today, we will start with our second lesson. Are you all ready? Are you all with me? Yeah, very good. So second lesson is page number 2. You should remove page number 2 and the name of the lesson is Who's the Great? Okay children? Can you all see? Yeah, very good. Yeah, page number 2. Take out your pencil with it. I'll be reading the lesson first. Then I will explain you. Okay? Are you all with me? Yeah, very good. So start. Okay children? Emperor Akbar or Akbar the Great is known as one of the greatest rulers in the world. Not just because he had a vast emperor, a very strong army, untold wealth. What do you mean by untold? Means great wealth. Okay, so much of wealth. Okay, but because he was a good human being. He cared for his subjects. What do you mean by subject children? People who live in the kingdom. Okay, people who live in kingdom is called subjects. He had great respect for scholars. Scholars means who are gaining more knowledge. Okay, who have more knowledge. Writers. Writers means who write the book, isn't it? Storybook or anything. Okay. Poets who write poem. And artists. Artists are the people who are interested in singing, dancing. Okay. They are called artists. Belonging to different religion. So children, Akbar is a Muslim king. Okay. But he used to treat all the people, all the different religion people equally. Okay. So see what happened. The 9 gems or Navratnas in his court were famous. 9 gems means he had 9 people who he liked very much. Okay. Birbal was the closest to the emperor's heart. Who was closest to closest to Akbar's heart? Birbal. Okay. So children, there are many stories which are famous of Akbar and Birbal. So you heard stories of Akbar and Birbal? Yeah, you like? Yeah, very good. So there are many stories which are famous. Okay. So here also 2 stories are given. How many stories? 2 stories are given about them. Okay. So who was the closest among 9 gems? Who was the closest? Birbal was the closest. Everyone the king liked, but more Birbal he liked. Okay. See then what happened. Akbar loved to pose. Pose means to ask. Okay. Interesting questions or problems in his court. And Birbal never failed to come up with an equally interesting answer. So what happened? In this first para it is said that Akbar was a great king. He had a very vast emperor. And not only he was famous because of his vast emperor or money. He was a great king. He was very caring about his people. Okay. He was very caring about the people. He respected others. Okay. He loved the people who are scholars, writers, poets and artists also. He enjoyed who are artists like singing song, dancing. Okay. And who was his favorite one from the 9 gems? Birbal. Yeah. So come to the next para. And why did he like Birbal children? Because Birbal used to always ask questions, and when Akbar asked questions to Birbal in the court, Birbal always had an interesting answer for it. So Akbar liked him. Okay. See then what happened. We don't know whether all the Akbar's and Birbal stories that we hear today have any basis in history. They have been handed down over generations, mainly by word of mouth. Here are 2 of them. So we don't know the stories which we hear now about the Akbar and Birbal are true or not, or they have a place in history. Place in history means are they true or not? We don't know that. there is no written stories, okay? It is just oral stories. Just one person is telling to the another person, that another person is passing on to another person. So generation to generation, these stories are passed on. So we don't know are these stories are real or not, okay? Do they have place in history? So here are two stories given, okay? So let's start. So your first story is, one day the emperor entered the court with a very serious expression on his face. What do you mean by expression? A facial expression, okay? When you laugh, you smile, isn't it? Smile? Yeah. When you are angry, you look angry. So, same way, what happened? The emperor, he was very serious and he entered the court, okay? Entered the court with serious expression. As soon as he was seated, he said, I have a question for all of you. What he said? He sat down in his seat and he told, I have a question for you all. Okay. As soon as he sat down. What should be the punishment for someone who pulls my moustache? What do you mean by moustache, children? Do anyone know what do you mean by moustache? Moustache is a facial hair that grows for the men's upper lips. Okay. Facial hair that grows on men's upper lips. Upper lips means here for men's, okay? So what he asked, he entered the court very seriously with a serious expression, and immediately as he sat down, he said, I have a question for you. And what is the question he asked? What is the punishment who pulls my moustache? What is the punishment for that people who is pulling moustache? Okay. See then what happened. The court was stunned. What do you mean by stunned? Court means all the people present over in the kingdom. Okay. All the people who were present over the kingdom. And stunned means surprised. Who dare to pull the moustache of king, children? Can you tell me who will dare to do this? No one, isn't it? Yeah. So all were surprised. All the people were surprised. Who did this? Okay. Pull the emperor's moustache. That was unheard. Unheard means never heard this thing. We have never heard. Who will dare to do this? Huh? Then see what happened. Flog him. Give him 50 lashes of whip, exclaimed one noble man. Okay. So one noble man means one person in the court. He said that beat him very hard. Beat him 50 slashes with a whip. Whip is a stick, okay? From one side it is a stick and other side it is leather, okay? So beat him with that. How many times? 50 times, okay? They were angry. Who dared to do this, okay? See then what another said. That's not enough. Put him in jail without food and water, said another. Okay, what did the other person say? First one said beat him 50 lashes with a whip. Okay, what did the other say? That is not enough. You should put him in the jail and not give food to eat. Okay. So children, tell me, why did all these people in the court say like this? Because no one will dare to pull the moustache of a king. Isn't it, children? So this is a punishment. So turn your page number 3. I'll be reading. Okay. Yeah, very good. Whip him, beat him, hang him, cut off his offending hands. What do you mean by offending? Offending means wrong act, which no one will like. Okay. Offending means bad act, bad thing. Okay. Offending hands. The agitated courtiers. Agitated means angry people in the court. Okay. Began to cry out. Cry out means they started to shout in one voice. They started to shout in one voice. Okay. Only Birbal was silent. He was even smiling a little. So what happened? Everyone said, whip him, beat him, hang him. Okay. You should hang him. How dare he can pull the moustache of a king? Okay. So everyone shouted in one voice. All the people in the court were angry. Who did this? So we should give a very serious punishment. Okay. So only who was smiling? Birbal was very silent. He sat very silently. He didn't say anything. He was very silent. Okay. Then he even smiled a little. Okay. See then what happened. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? Who asked? The king Akbar asked, the great King Akbar asked to Birbal. So what do you see? What do you think? What is the punishment to be given to the person who pulls the mustache? Okay, what is your opinion? What do you say about that? Okay. In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweet meals. What do you mean by sweet meals? Sweet meals means sweet things, okay, sweet dishes. Okay. In my opinion, O giver of peace means he is addressing the king as O giver of peace means one who gives peace to the world, one who protects the people of his country or kingdom. Okay. So he is addressing the king as O giver of peace to the world. Okay. The offender means the person who did the wrong act, should be given his favorite sweet meals. What did the Birbal say to the Akbar? He said that the person who did this, okay, who pulled the mustache of the king, should be given sweet meals, means sweet dishes. He should be given sweet dishes to eat. Okay. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Give sweet meals for such a grave offense. So what did the other people in the court say? Are you gone mad to give sweet meals, means sweet dishes to the person who did this? Are you gone mad, Birbal king? Okay. The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. So all the courtiers were angry. First of all, who dared to do this? Okay. And Birbal said, we should give sweet dishes to that person. So everyone got angry and they said, Birbal, are you gone mad? Why are you saying like this? Okay. Then see what happened. Just Birbal smiled and he gave an explanation. Offered means gave an explanation. Yes, who would be so bold to pull the emperor's mustache? What did the Birbal ask? Who have the power to pull the mustache of the king? Who will have children? Can anyone think? Anyone think what answer Birbal gave? Can anyone? Yeah. Okay. Now see here what he told. Yes, who would be bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. Who can pull the mustache of a king? Only his grandson. Isn't it, children? Who other will dare to pull his mustache? No one. No one will pull that, isn't it? Yeah. So who pulled? So what happened? Birbal in the morning saw that King Akbar's grandson was pulling his mustache. Okay, so he was ready with his explanation. So he said, who will be so bold? Who will dare to pull the mustache of a king? Only his grandson. Okay. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing, because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. After hearing this, the king Akbar was burst. Burst means he laughed loudly that this is what had happened in the morning. So what did he say? Yes, Birbal was right. This is what had happened in the morning. So King Akbar was very happy with the answer given by the Birbal, because Birbal is very intelligent. Okay, children, not like other courtiers. Okay. So no one will dare to pull the mustache of king. Only who will dare? Grandson. So hearing this explanation from Birbal, Akbar was very happy about Birbal. Okay. So your first story ends here. Okay, children. So tell me, everyone understood this story? Yeah, very good. Yeah. So you have to read this lesson, your first story. I'll teach you the second story in your next class. Okay, children? Are you all okay? Yeah, very good. So read this lesson 2 times, underline the hard words and write down them in your notebook. Okay? Okay, 5th standard, you have to write the hard words. There are many words in this lesson which you have to write down. Okay? So underline the hard words and note down in your notebook 5 times and click a photo and send it to me.